Here are 3 things L&D professionals can do to truly stay on top of their game. Let's get started with number 1. Create personalized learning experiences. Personalized learning is an approach that centers on the learner's needs and often functions best with an AI-powered tool like Squigl. The key to personalized learning is keeping content relevant, both to each individual and to the organization as a whole. Offering choices for additional content can also enable increased engagement with training and useful skill improvement. Second, L&D include more micro videos. Research shows what our day-to-day experience would lead us to believe. People prefer to learn and learn better in small bite-sized chunks. We also know that video is a phenomenal tool for learning. So combine the two for quick-to-make content that's easy to review and retain. Finally, curate relevant content quickly. Content curation, or the process of selecting out the best and most relevant information for your organization's learners out of the wide variety of content available, saves your learners the difficult and time-consuming job of tracking down that content themselves. Make content curation more personalized by letting learners rate or vote on content for higher visibility in the organization. And be quick about curating important content. Timely, recent articles will likely be the most impactful. Squigl can provide the perfect tools for all 3 of these best practices in L&D. Creating personalized content is easier than ever with the highly customizable AI-powered platform. Micro video creation is Squigl's forte, and your L&D professionals will love the ease and brevity of content creation with the tool. And that speed and efficiency means rapid content curation is easier than ever. Apply for a Squigl demo today to get your L&D team started on these best practices and more.